Hello children, today I am going to continue chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In that, three methods are there actually. They have eliminated two methods. So, elimination method is there. That elimination method, exercise 3.4. So, the exercise 3.4 exercise we have to solve by elimination method. You know now pair of linear equations in two variables. In these linear equations in two variables will be there. We can find out two variables value by elimination method. Exercise 3.4, solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method. By elimination method means what? Means we can eliminate one of the variable. When two variables are there, we cannot find out the value of one of the variable. So we have to eliminate one of the variable value, then only we can find out another variable value. So this is the way of solving by elimination method. They gave you two equations, that is linear pair of linear equations in two variables. So this is x plus y is equal to 5, one linear equations in two variables, and another one 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So now what we have to do, I have written 1 below 1 now. So this pair of linear equations in two variables, I have written 1 below 1, it becomes pair of linear equations in two variables. First, you have to observe the equations. You observe the equation how they are. It depends on the question it is. You have to change it. This is not only this method. See now, you have to observe the sign first. So, in these two equations, see in this plus y is there, in this minus 3y is there. So 1 plus 1 minus means if I'll add, it will get cancelled, but I have to make it the same value here. So here only 1y is there, no value, no numerical coefficient, means here only 1 is there. 1y minus 3y. So here if I'll do it 3y, so this variable is going to eliminate if I'll add both the equations. So for that what I have to do, the first equation, if I'll multiply all the three terms, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 5s are 15. I have multiplied. So I have multiplied the first linear equations into variables by 3. To eliminate one of the variable, we have to adjust and we have to make it numerical coefficient same and opposite sign should be there. So then after that, see I have multiplied only one of the linear equation into variables. 3 into x, 3x, plus into plus plus, 3 into y, 3y, 3 5s are 15. Then as it is, you don't change. If you can multiply by 1 also, but you don't change. So if you not change, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Adding, by adding 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2, adding. So if I'll add these two, 3x plus 2x is 5x. Plus 3y minus 3y, it will eliminate, it becomes 0. So I have eliminated one of the variable. Which variable I have eliminated here? Y variable. And 15 plus 4 is 19. So 5x is equal to 19. X is equal to 19 by 5. So one of the variable value I got it. After getting the one variable value, that is the x value, then substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation. Any one of the equation you can substitute. In any one of the equation you can substitute. But I substituted in second equation, equation 2. So if I substitute in place of x 19 by 5, it becomes like this way. Minus 3y is equal to 4. Then 19 2s are 38 by 5. Minus 3y is equal to 4. So now see here one fraction and one whole number. So I have to take LCM both. Then what is the LCM? 5. 5 4s are 20. So by taking LCM, I have to subtract the values. 38 minus 20, it becomes 18 by 5 is equal to 3y. But I don't want only, I want the value of y. So I don't want y, means I can divide by 3 both the sides. So I have divided now. So if I divide here 18 by 5 into 3, here 3y by 3, 3 will get cancelled. Y value I got it 6 by 5. So this is the way of finding the value of two variables by elimination method. Elimination method means out of two variables, any one of the variable I have to eliminate to get the value of one of the variable. Then that variable value I have to substitute in any other equation. In any one of the equation you can substitute and you can find out another one variable value. This method is called as elimination method. This method is there for you. So this is the way of solving by elimination method. Okay children, copy down. Okay children, now I am going to continue second question in that. The second pair of linear equations in two variables is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So you observe this linear pair of equations in two variables. Here okay, opposite sign is there. Okay, here if I multiply this equation by 2, then it will become same, plus 4y minus 4y. If I add, no, it is going to eliminate. Eliminate means removing one of the variable. Elimination method means removing one of the variable method. So now if I multiply the second equation, 2 2s are 4x, 2 2s are 4y, 2 2s are 4. So the first equation as it is, I have written. And the second equation 4x minus 4y is equal to 4, it has become after multiplication. So then 7x is equal to 14, then 7x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 by 7, then x is equal to 2, I got it. So after getting one of the variable value, I have to substitute in any one of the equation. You can substitute in this equation or in this equation. Any one of the variable equation you can substitute x value. Substitute x value is equal to 2 in equation 1. I have substituted here in equation 1. So equation 1 you consider, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. So in place of x you substitute 2. Then 3 into 2 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Then 4y is equal to 6, you take it that side. Sign it changes. When it goes from equal one side to another side, sign changes. 10 minus 6 it becomes. So then 4y is equal to 4y value, I got it. Y value 1. So by elimination method, by removing one of the variable method, we can find out the two variables value. So this method is called as elimination method. Children, copy down. Okay children, now I am going to continue third sum. Third sum they give 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So when you observe these two linear equations into variables, no, they are not according to general form of an linear equations of two variables. We have to arrange it and first x variable, next y variable, after equal constant. We have to arrange it and we have to write it. So 3x minus 5y is equal to this minus 4, you take it this side, it becomes 4. And here first 9x, 2y you take it this side, minus 2y. I have not changed, 7 it is there only. So I have arranged two linear pair of equations according to first x variable should come, next y variable, next after equal symbol the constant value should come. Then after observing, see now here plus plus sign, minus minus sign, plus plus sign, both the same only, opposite sign is not there. And the same numerical coefficient also is not there. So we have to make it same. So if I multiply, it is not going to become same. Here 3, I can multiply this is by 3 also. You can do it like that way also. If this equation, if you multiply by 3, no, it becomes same, then subtract it. You can do it like that way also. But I have interchanged these two. See now I have multiplied this linear equations into variables 2 and by this 5. So which variable you want to eliminate, no, that numerical coefficient you can interchange and you can multiply, it becomes same. See 2 3s are 6x plus into minus minus, 2 5s are 10 into y, 10y is equal to 2 4s are 8. 5 9s are 45 into x plus into minus minus, 5 2s are 10y is equal to 5 7s are 35. So but you have your same sign is there, so you have to subtract here. So if opposite sign are there, you can add. So now you subtract. Subtraction means subtrahend sign, it will change. So here plus it becomes minus, here minus it becomes plus, here plus it becomes minus. Then this variable is going to eliminate now. So if plus minus 10y plus 10y will get, and it will become 0. Then 6x minus 45x. In minus 45x, if you subtract 6, minus 39x it becomes. So your minus 35 plus 8. So if you subtract, the bigger number sign is minus. In bigger number, you have to subtract the smaller number. So minus 35 plus 8 is minus 27. Both the side minus minus sign is there, so it will get cancelled. So 39x is equal to 27. X value we want, x value is equal to 27 by 39. So if we divide by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3s are 3, 9s are. So 9 by 13, we got it x value. X value is equal to 9 by 13. Substitute x is equal to 9 by 13 in any one of this equation. But I have substituted in one equation, in linear equation in 2 variables. So this is equation number 1. I have substituted after getting one of the variable value, that is x value. I have substituted in first equation. So write first equation, 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. Then substitute in that place x place 9 by 13 and simplify. 6 9s are 54 by 13 minus 10y as it is equal to 8. 54 by 13. So by 8 you take it this side and y variable you take it that side, because we want the value of y. So minus 10y, if it goes this side, it becomes plus 10y. Here it comes 8 minus 8 it becomes. By taking LCM, no number in the denominator means we have to understand 1 is there. So 13, by taking LCM, we have to subtract the fraction. 10y is equal to, I got it, 50 by 13 is equal to 10y I got. So I want only one of the y variable one side. Divide both the side by 10. 10 I don't want. So if you divide by 10, 10 by 10, 1, y you will get only one side, y you are going to get, because y variable we have to find out means which variable value we have to find out, only that variable should be there one side. So then 50 by 13 divided by 10. So 10 5s are 10 ones are 10 5s are 50. 5 by 13. So y variable value I got it 5 by 13. So we have to do it in this method, elimination method. Elimination method means by removing one of the variable value, we can find out our one variable value. So this is the way of solving by elimination method. Children, copy it all.